Hi everyone, good evening. My name is Raghavendra Prasad Dodavaram. You can call me Raghav. I'm a senior manager working with Deloitte US firms. I'm working as a senior manager with the firm for the last 6 years, and overall experience of my professional career is 18 years. And one of my strengths while doing the professional course of journey is coaching people and leadership skills. And that's where I come to know how can I hone my skills to next level in terms of coaching people. So I've looked into a lot of social websites, YouTube channels, whatnot. Then I come to know about a concept called life coaching within my organization, where someone said, "Hey, Raghav, you're good at this. Why can't you hone it to next level?" So I thought, okay, fine, let me look up and what are the institutes available and everything. And this thought process started somewhere right after the COVID time. So as you may know, the entire world is living virtually at that time in terms of professional career coaching and everything. So I explored a lot of options in terms of what is the best institution, everything. I came across Cocoweave, and where Honey Ma'am, who is the main coach for us here, did the demystifying coach. What is a coach and what are the myths and what are the real facts and everything. It's a session where you can call it as a mini masterclass. I attended the session. I was floored by how Money Ma'am conducted the session entirety. Then I approached the Cocoweave team to see how you can help me in terms of getting to the next levels in terms of getting certification and everything. And then that's where I joined the Cocoweave ACC level back in December 2022. And it's a live session at Delhi office. I have a fabulous group of people. I'm basically an introvert for the most part, where I've seen a lot of people coming from different walks of life as part of my peer group for the ACC level coaching. It was a great experience overall. I get to see where I stand in terms of people from different walks of life. I had people from doctors to hypnotherapists to um, career counselors, therapists, a lot of people. So the overall my experience in terms of ACC level was great, especially for the live session. The only thing I didn't like was the Delhi weather. It's cold. I'm coming from South India. It's very warm. But overall, great experience. A lot of learnings like how you can actually target honing your life coaching skills to next level. So I know to an extent from my corporate experiences so far, but learning from life coaching sessions by Honey Ma'am for the ACC level, there are a lot of new techniques, nuances, and a lot of improvisations, what I can do within my own learnings. I learned that. So from December 2022, I went back. I started practicing, not as a profession though, but I started practicing with my friends and families. Of course, I have a great organization where I'm coach for some of the people within my own organization. So I get to coach a lot of people. I use some of the skills I learned here. I thought, okay, I should do PCC level. Then again, it ring a bell. Okay, should I do somewhere close to my place or should I travel to Delhi? But my ACC experience said, no, you're just going to Cocoweave one more time, for sure. No doubt about it. So the great team they have, Juhi, Megha, they are always, whenever I say, hey, when is the next PCC level coaching happening? They're always responsive, telling me that, hey, Saraghav sir, this is the time. Will it work for you? Will it work for you? They give me a good number of days heads up so that I can plan my professional career as well as this. And then I recently, I completed my PCC level certification. Again, new people coming from different countries, basically, and where, again, same great experience. Where in the ACC level, we talked about what, and PCC level, we are talking about who. So there's a big difference. It's a magnanimous, it's a big step I need to make. And luckily, a major eye-opener in PCC level coaching for me is that how you can actually use your personal strengths to good effect and how your hobbies actually help you in honing your life coaching skills. So that's how the PCC level journey so far for me. And looking forward to more peer-to-peer sessions, marketing sessions, and everything what this wonderful institute is ready to offer. And going back to the overall coaching philosophy for the PCC level, Honey Ma'am, again, uh, thanks to my great organization I work for, I have privilege of attending a lot of global trainings done by great public speakers, authors, celebrities to an extent. And when I attend this PCC level coaching, I think this will be somewhere sitting in top 3 of my learning so far. For sure, Honey Ma'am, excellent, excellent. In terms of the presence, you can feel the aura within the room. So that's my journey so far with the PCC level. I'm looking forward to more collaboration with this wonderful institute. Thank you so much again for the Cocoweave team. Thank you all and have a good rest of your day. Thank you.